Hello guys. I am your avatar Mohammed Altamash. And am here from Technology Learn Pakistan. React, also known as ReactJS or react.js, is an open-source JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, UIs, or user interface components for web applications. React is developed and maintained by Facebook. It has gained widespread popularity in the web development community due to its efficiency, flexibility, and ease of use. Key features and concepts of React include 1. Component-based architecture. React is built around the concept of reusable UI components. Developers can create individual components for different parts of the user interface and then compose them to build complex UIs. This promotes code reusability and maintainability. 2. Virtual DOM, Document Object Model. React uses a virtual DOM to optimize the rendering process. Instead of directly manipulating the real DOM, React creates a lightweight virtual representation of it. When changes occur, React calculates the minimal set of updates needed and efficiently updates the real DOM. This approach results in better performance and faster rendering. 3. Declarative syntax. React allows developers to describe how the UI should look at any given point in time. It abstracts away the imperative DOM manipulation used in traditional JavaScript and focuses on a declarative approach where you specify what the UI should display based on the current state of the data. 4. JSX, JavaScript XML. React uses JSX, a syntax extension for JavaScript, to define the structure and layout of components. JSX looks similar to HTML but is transpiled by tools like Babel into JavaScript code that React understands. 5. Unidirectional data flow. React enforces a one-way data flow, making it easier to understand how data changes affect the UI. Data flows from parent components to child components through props, and communication between components is predictable and controlled. 6. React Router. React Router is a popular library for handling client-side routing in React applications. It allows developers to create single-page applications, SPAs, with multiple views or pages that can be navigated without a full page refresh. 7. State management. While React itself focuses on the view layer, it can be used with various state management solutions like Redux, Mux, or React's built-in state management using the useState and useReducer hooks. These tools help manage the application's data and state. 8. Ecosystem and community. React has a thriving ecosystem with a vast collection of third-party libraries and tools for various purposes, such as state management, routing, and UI design. It also has a large and active community, which means there are extensive resources and support available for developers. Conclusion. React is often used in conjunction with other technologies like Babel, Webpack, and NPM to create modern web applications. It can be employed to build everything from small, interactive widgets to large, complex web applications and is widely used in the industry by companies like Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb, and many others. Thank you very much for watching. To keep updated about latest technological videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.